Hello everybody, so welcome to my unboxing video for the new Yamaha RX-V6A amplifier. So this was made available for purchase about 4 or 5 days ago. So it's just arrived today and it's very new to the market. The reason I'm making this video is because when I was reviewing it and when I was investigating the purchase, I could not find a video online or on YouTube that would show me what it looked like. Everything I saw was just a stock video, but I actually wanted to see what it looked like in reality before I made that purchase. But anyway, I bought it, it's here, so I thought I would just show you guys to see, so you can see what it looks like. I hope it helps someone, and if it does, please hit the like button if it's helped you in any way. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly unbox it and show you what it looks like. So I'll just do a quick swoop around so you see what that looks like. So I'll just do a quick aerial view so you can see. So that's what it looks like in the box. So the first thing here is the remote control. So this is what the remote control looks like right there. I think it pretty much looks like a lot of the other Yamaha amps. I do not think this has any sort of backlight. It doesn't. A bit of a shame for how much it is. This right here, I do not know what it is, but it has a 3.5mm jack. If you know what it is, please tell me. And it has something here to screw in. Put that aside. So here, batteries for the remote control. So here we have the legal pack, the warranty, product registration, all sort of manuals and quick guides in the quick pack. And also it has this, which I believe is the antenna for the digital radio. So I think this comes with that as well. What I will do is I did a lot of investigation before deciding to go for this one. It was either this model or the RXV-4A. So what I will do is I will see if I can make another video just to highlight the differences between the V4 and the V6. So right here, see if I know. Aside. Oh, that's the rear. I think that's probably what's most important to people. So right here so what I've noticed immediately is that over here, let me just move the camera a little bit. This here is a matte finish, while in the front, as I'll show you, it looks like a glossy piano finish on this one. So if I just move it forward a little bit so you can see better. That's better. So here you can see the connections. There you go. So you can see all the connections. So over here I can see, I think there's 8 or 7 HDMI ports in there with an ER port for using 2.1. That's for the digital radio. and it's a 7.2 AV system, which means you can use it for 7 standard speakers and 2 subwoofers. You know, so yeah, so that's the back. It has the coaxial ports, and yeah, and I think there's a jack there, like a network port as well. And I think this must be the antennas for the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and whatnot. So let me just move it to the front so you can see what that looks like. So this right here is what the front looks like. So this has a glossy piano black finish. And over here is the matte, and then you have the RXV6A model, model number designation there. So I think this is a radio push down button to select. And from what I saw in the stock pictures, I think the graphics will go there. And this is the volume knob. So Yamaha has gone for the very, very simplistic view on these ones. And from what I understand, the V4A, this is quite confusing because on the box they've written V6, but it's actually a V6A designation. So what you will find is that both the V4A and the V6A of the same size, they're pretty much almost the same thing, but there's some major differences in there which you should know, and I will highlight that in a different video. But for the most part, it has to do with, you know, the power. So this is 100 watts. But the V4A is 80 watts. This has Dolby Atmos virtualization, which will be released via a different firmware. This also supports the, a 2-zone, which means that you can actually wire a second zone of speakers into this device. It's got to be wired. You have to wire it in. So basically it supports 2 different sources or inputs, 2 different outputs, different volumes, so you can set the volume settings. So it's a totally separate channel, which means it's 2-zone. So it does that. It's more powerful, and yeah, it has a few other little things which I will try to explain in another video. So this is what it looks like. This is just show you what it looks like from the top. So this is the aerial view, and I'll just do a very quick sort of sweep. So you can see in a little bit more detail. I quite like this 2-tone effect actually, with the matte at the bottom half or the bottom layer, and then the piano black effect. I really like it. And now onto the back again. Yeah, so that's it really. So that's what it looks like, the new Yamaha RXV6A. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.